Imagine opening your credit report and seeing the words charge off. You think, great, they wrote it off. That means I don't owe them any money. Wrong. That one misunderstanding has cost Americans millions of dollars in denied mortgages, higher interest rates, collections, lawsuits, and wage garnishment. Today, I'm going to explain what a charge off really is, why banks love it when people misunderstand it, and what you should do before you pay a single dollar to any charge off. Stay with me because what I'm about to show you could completely change how you handle your credit. Welcome back to the Credit Repair Shop channel on YouTube and TikTok. I'm Stephen A. Williams. For years, going on 21 years, I've helped consumers challenge inaccurate credit reporting information on all three credit reports and fight back against debt collectors. One of the biggest myths that I hear every single day is it was charged off. I thought it was paid. Unfortunately, that's not how it works. Let's say that you borrow $5,000. You lose your job. You fall behind. 6 months later, the bank marks the account as a charge off. Most people believe the bank forgave the debt. But here's what actually happened. The bank simply moved the account from the active asset to a loss on its accounting books. That's all. The debt still exists. The bank can still collect it. The bank can sue you. The bank can sell it to a debt collector. Interest may continue to accrue depending on your agreement and state laws. In other words, a charge-off is just a simple accounting decision, not automatic forgiveness. A charge-off is one of the most damaging entries that can appear on your credit reports. It tells future lenders this account became seriously delinquent. The creditor stopped expecting normal payments. The account represents elevated lending risk for that individual. That may make it harder for you to qualify for credit cards, auto loans, personal loans, mortgages, even employment and rental applications. Many people think paying it automatically erases the damage. It usually doesn't. The history may still remain on your credit reports. It will not hurt as much as it would if it was not paid or settled for less. And I'm going to go into details on that. Here's where thousands of people make a costly mistake. A collector calls and says, just pay this today. So they immediately pay it. But they never ask questions like, is this balance accurate? Who legally owns this account? Is this account being reported correctly? Are there duplicate entries? Is the reporting consistent across all three bureaus? Is the debt still legally enforceable in court? Paying may resolve the balance, but it doesn't automatically fix the inaccurate information that's reporting on your credit reports. That's why understanding your rights before you pay it is so important. Before you pay any charge-off account, get copies of all three credit reports. You can do that by going to www.your3scores.com to grab your TransUnion, Equifax, Experian credit reports and all three scores. Compare exactly how the account is being reported with each bureau. Look for inconsistent balances, dates, payment history, or duplicate reporting. Request documentation if you have questions about the debt or who owns it. If you're facing a lawsuit, respond by the deadline. Ignoring the court papers can lead to a default judgment. Every situation is different, so make decisions based on verified information, not assumption. If you've ever believed a charge-off meant that it disappeared, you're not alone. Comment below. I thought a charge-off meant it was paid. I'd love to hear about your experiences. If you need help with your credit, remember to visit us at thecreditrepairshop.com. Watch the video What Makes Us Different so you can see my 8-point validation process and my 2-phase settlement process. If you need your credit reports and scores, go to the website your3scores.com to grab your TransUnion, Equifax, Experian credit reports and all three scores. If you have debt collectors coming after you, trying to sue you, go to summonsmaster.com where you can get a fully formatted response that will help you get your case dismissed. Thank you for your time. Subscribe to the channel and post your questions and comments. This is Stephen A. Williams, president and founder of the CreditRepairShop.com and creator and founder of SummitsMaster.com.